Okay, girls, right, what I wanted to do today was to take you through a deck of cards. You're supposed to be familiar with a deck of cards, okay? So, for those of you who are not, there are 52 cards in a deck, right? Okay, we never include the jokers, so when they're doing sums on decks of cards, just pretend there's no jokers. So there's 52 cards in a set of cards. Out of the 52, there's 26 red cards and 26 black cards. And if you have a deck of cards at home, take them out and look at them. Okay, 26 red, 26 black, right? Then the red ones are further split into 13 hearts, 13 diamonds. 26 blacks are split into 13 spades and 13 clubs. Now I try to draw the symbols, right? Okay, so the heart is obviously a heart. A diamond is a diamond. The spade, it looks like a leaf, right? And the club, it looks like a shamrock. Okay, so I'll try to draw them there, but again, if you have a deck of cards, take them out and look at them and you'll know what I mean. So we have hearts, 13 diamonds, 13 hearts, 13 diamonds, 13 spades, 13 clubs. In each of these suits, girls, so in each of these, there's an ace of hearts, 2 of hearts, 3 of hearts, 4 of hearts, 5 of hearts, 6 of hearts, 7 hearts, 8 hearts, 9 of hearts, 10 of hearts, jack of hearts, queen of hearts, king of hearts. Then there's an ace of diamonds, 2 of diamonds, 3 of diamonds, all the way up to the king of diamonds. Then there's an ace of spades, 2 of spades, 3 of spades, all the way up to the king of spades. Then there's an ace of clubs, a 2 of clubs, a 3 of clubs, all the way up to a king of clubs. So of the 13 cards, this is what they are. Please note, number 1 is called an ace, right? Okay, and we go up to number 10, and then these have pictures on them, and they call them the jack, the queen, and the king. Okay? Now, right, if you want to pause that now and write that into your notes, okay? It's really important. You are expected to know around a deck of cards, right? So then, finally, there's a jack, queen, king of hearts, a jack, queen, king of diamonds, a jack, queen, king of spades, and a jack, queen, king of clubs, and they're all pictures, girls. There's a picture in each of those. So they're called the picture cards, okay? And there's 12 of them. There's 12 picture cards. So out of there's 3 picture cards in each suit, okay? Right? Just a few questions, probability questions from your deck of cards. So I'm going to pick one card at random from the deck, and right? Okay, what's the probability that it'll be red? So you'd say, how many reds are there? There's 26 red cards out of a total of 52. Now 26 over 52 cancels down to a half. You don't have to cancel it, okay? If you left it at 26 over 52, you get full marks, okay? What's the probability of picking a club? So again, I'm going to pick one card from the pack, right? And I know there's 13 clubs out of a total of 52 in the pack, and that cancels down to a quarter, okay? What are your chances, probability of picking a 2 of clubs? So you ask yourself, how many 2s of clubs are in the pack? And there's only one. There's only one 2 of club, so it's 1 out of 52. Okay. The next bit is, what's the probability of picking a 10? Now it can be any 10. So they're saying probability of picking a 10 means, what are my chances of picking any 10? So I could get the 10 of hearts, the 10 of diamonds, the 10 of clubs, or the 10 of spades. So there's 4 10s in the pack out of a total of 52. So that cancels down to 1 over 13. So, but as I say, you don't have to. But if you put them into the calculator, it'll automatically cancel them down for you. And finally, the last question is, what are my chances, if I picked one card out of a whole pack, what are my chances of getting a picture card? So I already said the jack, queen, king of each suit. So jack, queen, king of hearts, jack, queen, king of diamonds, jack, queen, king of spades, jack, queen, king of clubs. They are all picture cards. So there's 12 picture cards out of a total of 52. Okay, now we're going to stick with just working out probability because it's very important, right? Okay, for the next night. Okay, so the work I'm giving you for the rest of this class is there's I'm going to put up 4 photos from the first year book, right? Okay, So I want you to do all of exercises 4.4, right? There's 25 questions, but they're very short and you'll fly through them, okay? And I'll also put up the answers so you know whether you're correct or not, okay? So just to reiterate there, your work for the rest of the class is, and for homework if you don't get it finished, take a picture. I'm going to put up a picture from the first year book on Teams, right? There's 4 pages, right, where exercise 4.4 is on. It goes from 1 to 25. I want you to do them all, right, and check your answers. I'll include the answers also, okay? And we'll hopefully regroup on Teams tomorrow. Sorry girls, what I should have said there is take a picture of your work and load it up to Teams for me. Thank you.